Good morning. We are pleased to present our final year IoT project titled Smart Fire Detection System. We are group number one from the ICT department. Our group members are Kirulu Champati, Yasiti Langasingha, and Pasidu Sanjula. Fire accidents are one of the leading causes of property damage and loss of life globally. Unfortunately, most conventional fire alarms are limited in scope. They can detect fire but can't notify people remotely or trigger automatic responses. Our goal was to build a smart IoT based fire detection system that provides early warnings and automates responses to reduce damage and enhance safety. The major problems include delayed detection, lack of real-time alerts, and no remote access. Our solution is an IoT-based system that detects smoke, gas leaks, and flame using sensors. Once detected, it automatically sends alerts via email and activates a buzzer and sprinkler system to reduce the fire's impact before it spreads.
Thank you, Sudeshika. So our system uses ESP32 microcontroller, which has better processing power and built-in Wi-Fi. The ESP32 continuously reads data from smoke and flame sensors. We included two LEDs. The first indicates successful Wi-Fi connection, and the second turns on after the fire detection. If a hazard is detected, the ESP32 triggers a buzzer, activates the LED via relay, and most importantly, sends a real-time email alert to the user for immediate action. All sensors data is uploaded to the cloud, allowing users to monitor conditions remotely.
Thank you, Yasi. The core of our system is the ESP32, which manages all input-output operations. The MQ2 sensor detects gas and smoke, while the flame sensor identifies visible flames. We use buzzer for audio alert and a relay module to activate a LED bulb. We also added two LEDs, one to show the ESP32 is connected to Wi-Fi and the other to indicate fire detection. When the threat is detected, the system also sends an email alert to cloud service, ensuring quick remote awareness.
Challenges and how we overcome them. We faced Wi-Fi connectivity issues with the ESP32. At times, the connection was unstable or dropped unexpectedly. To solve this, we include the Wi-Fi status LED and implemented auto reconnector logic in our code to maintain continuous cloud communication. From a hardware perspective, integration or components without conflicts was challenging. We planned the circuit design carefully and tested components individually before full integration to ensure compatibility. Our conclusion: our smart fire detection system provides an affordable and effective solution for early fire detection with real-time, remote alert and automatic safety response. We believe this project showcases the power of IoT in improved safety and reducing risk. Thank you.
This is our IoT-based fire and gas detection system using the ESP32 microcontroller. We have connected an MQ2 gas sensor here, which detects smoke and gas leaks. Next to it is a flame sensor that detects fire by sensing infrared light. When the system detects either gas or fire, the buzzer connected here produces a loud sound as an alert. At the same time, a relay module is triggered which turns on a bulb. All components are powered by the ESP32, which is normally connected via USB, but a power bank can be used as a backup during power failures. This setup can be extended to send alert over Wi-Fi using the ESP32's connectivity. Now we will demonstrate it.